To start the Eagle 10000 Plus, make sure the initial setup has been performed. Refer to the instruction manual to confirm. Begin by removing all loads connected to the AC power receptacles. Always pull the choke out when starting the engine, whether it's cold, warm, or hot. Turn the engine switch to the start position and crank until it starts. Release the switch as soon as the engine starts and slowly push in the choke. Then, turn the switch to the auto idle position. The engine will run at high idle for around 10 seconds and then ramp down to a low idle. You are now ready to start welding or power your equipment. When finished, turn the engine switch to the off position to stop the engine. Now you are ready to weld, but before you strike an arc, make sure you read the instruction manual entirely and are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.